The news in detail. Meghalaya'S education sector made significant strides in the 2025 SSLC exams with 341 schools achieving a 100% pass rate. The overall pass percentage reached 87.10%, a remarkable increase from previous years. In 2024, the pass percentage was only 55.80%. This marks a considerable improvement from 2023 51.93% and 2022 56.96%. Among the top scorers, Leisha Agarwal from St. Margaret's and Avila Catherine P. Lingdor from North Liberty tied for first place. This growth reflects improvements in teaching and student effort across the state. Meanwhile, in Ribhoy, out of 5,511 candidates from Ribhoy who appeared for the examination, 4,923 passed, contributing significantly to the district's academic standing. 4 students from Ribhoy secured spots in the top 20 state merit list.
And I want to give all my thanks to my teachers, be it my school teachers and my tuition teachers, because without their support, this would never be possible. And even my family, they have supported me through my dark times in this journey. It's not a journey of my own, it is a journey of my school teachers, my tuition teachers, me, my friends, my family. So all thanks to, them and St. Margaret.
Actually, I didn't encourage our students to use that book because I saw some glaring mistakes out there. But eventually, it was available in the net and all, they have used it. So for those who are in the peripheries or who are in the villages, I think it was very useful. But for city children, I think it would make them lazy to study only this book. The same, it will improve the overall performance, but then when it comes to quality, I think we are not doing great in that, because some of them will start their classes soon because admissions will begin, and these students have to sit and study, and then they'll come afterwards to join class 11, which will disturb them as well as disturb the institutions.